Welcome to our group's pitch for the Citython Amsterdam 2020. Let me introduce you to our team. We are Jana, Yassine, Nick, and Noor. Amsterdam facilitates around 490,000 daily cyclists. It is the only city in the world with more bikes than people. The city is filled with narrow sidewalks and streets, and it's currently being occupied by different shared mobility companies who want to settle their bikes and scooters in Amsterdam. This will make the city even more packed with bikes than it already is. The city of Amsterdam is facing the problem of wrong bicycle parking behavior on their narrow sidewalks. This causes some problems such as having no space left for people in wheelchairs and people with children in strollers. The challenge for us was to design something that will correct this parking behavior. To do this, we asked ourselves a question: what if we reward people for good behavior instead of punishing them for the wrong behavior? Our initiative is that we decided to create MoPass, an app that will correct wrong parking behavior and reward those who park their bike right. This will be done by placing sensor tape squares around bike parking on the streets. The sensor tape will make sure the bike is parked within the right square. The process is very simple and user-friendly. Download the app, collect your QR code at a local supermarket or store, stick it on your bike, connect your bike to the app. You take a trip on your bike and you park your bike. Check in within one of the squares. Green is for short term and red is for long term. When checking out within the time frame, you'll get rewarded with points. With these points, you'll be able to save them up for nice discounts at local shops and stores. This is a quick overview of the app. The app will be user-friendly to its target groups, and the sensor tape will also be able to detect how many bicycle spots are left and will reject people who say that they're parking in that square when full. It is also very easy to integrate MoPass within already existing shared mobilities, as most have QR codes. The process is as follows. You download the app, you start your ride, you park your scooter and bike in the right place. You scan the QR code on the scooter or bike and you check in, short or long term. When it's parked right, you get rewards in points. MoPass has some advantages over other shared mobility apps. It introduces a brand new system that will reward parking behavior. It's also a quite low-cost project, as placing the sensor tapes, creating the app, and campaigning, if needed, are the only costs. For campaigning, the target groups need to be attracted to the app. For this, creating catchy commercials about bikes parked wrongly are a nuance for our target groups. We will create interest and attract them for the app. The rewarding system will also encourage the target groups to participate. In the future, machine learning and AI can make sure people park their bike right. With just a simple picture taken, the app will see if the bike is parked right without needing anything else. With MoPass, distinguishing between people who are parking their bikes for a short time, maximum of 2 hours, and for a longer time will be possible. It will also make students and young professionals take into account the public space when they park their bikes. Then campaigning of the app will increase awareness of the rules that come with the app. And lastly, MoPass does not rely heavily on enforcement. With this, we are positive that our idea will change the bike parking behavior of the young professionals and students. Thank you.